Okay. Something new around the corner. Sloan, look, what's that? What is that? Sloan,
You want to go in the little house?
Look at who's in the little house. It's Fred the cat. Door shut.
Hello.
Door open.
Oh, the cat went out the
Out
window.
the window. Do you want to go in the house? Do you want to go in the house? Hi,
Here, Corinne.
Sloan.